Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make game pass in Please Donate. You have to open browser guys first of all and just go to roblox.com, and once you're here you have to tap on this create tab over here, and now you have to tap on this menu button and just tap on this creation option, and now you have to tap on this experience over here, and tap you have to tap on this menu button again, and here you will see passes under the monetization. Tap on it, and here you can create your own game pass. Just tap on create a pass, enter the name, description, and create a pass. And now suppose you have created your game pass, just click on or tap on that new game pass that you have created. Now you have to tap on this menu button again and tap on sale, and here you guys you have to enable this item for sale, enter the price, and tap on save changes. So yeah, that's how you can create your own game pass and set up for the sale in Please Donate. Now you just need to open Please Donate and list your game pass there. Yeah, that's how you can do it. So finally we have opened our game, and if first of all you have to look for any empty stand over here. Like this is unclaimed stand, this is empty. Hold stand button over here and your game pass will be listed here. So when you make a game pass, your game pass will be updated here. Fine, so that's how you can create your own game pass in Please Donate. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.